Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add music on Snap in Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Snapchat. Now choose your snap. Here you can see the option of add sound. Also you can see the icon of music. You can press on this. Now from here you can choose any of the song. That's it. So this is how to add music on Snap in your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.